If you're in Scottsdale and you want some nom, hit up ScottsdaleRestaurants.com. What's up, everyone? This is our 100th episode, so you know we had to bring the big boy in, the big dog. Wicked Sean is here to crush food with us.
Yes, sir.
Troy, where are we at?
We're at Loco Patron Kitchen and Brewery. It's brand new in North Scottsdale, right off the Rain Tree in the 101 on North Side. You can't miss it.
Are you ready to crush food again?
I love food, so I'm ready to crush whatever you guys put in front of me. I'm down. Let's do it. Let's do it.
We had him here last time. Big hit. We're excited to have him back. We appreciate him coming back.
Let's go crush some food.
Let's go. All right, Sean, first impressions.
First impressions, for one, you got all that fun outside when you walk in. But one of my favorite games is cornhole, so the fact that they have that, I'll be coming here a lot more. And then the fact that they have a brick oven when it comes to pizza, that changes the whole flavor palette when you're talking about pizza. So that's a game changer as well. Yeah, let's dig in and have some fun. Okay. Nice little...
Oh my God, that looks good.
That looks nice and creamy. Okay. Quite amazing. It's the one that chip, you can tell it's homemade. That fondito, aka cheese dip over there, tons of flavors. The cheese is creamy. That's about perfect right there.
Spicy margarita, Blanco tequila. We got agave in here, and a cactus puree. That's what gives it that color, I'm assuming. Damn, the agave in there is awesome. It's a sweet, but then that kick comes back with the jalapenos. How you doing? The cactus puree, I really like that actually. That's really good. This is a subtle drink, but after one or two of these, here you go.
So I got the porter beer mussels, lemon on top. Got a little sriracha. Ooh, gives you a little spice right at the end. Sweet element right at the beginning with the sauce. Yeah, you gotta dip the bread in there. Lightly buttered and just lightly charred, so it's got that crispy element with the soft, with the mussels. This is a fantastic starter. Definitely recommend this.
So I got the Michelada Wings. I've never had this before. So it's like it's a drink. It's from Latin America, Mexican drink that's well known. It's beer, lime, spices.
These are the wing man.
Those are really good. I'm getting a lot of salt on there, but then also I'm getting some good dill out of the ranch that's out of there. I'm getting some good flavors from the ranch. Subtle, but full of flavor. Not a crazy amount of spice either, so this is not spicy. I anticipated this being spicy, but not at all. And then that ranch dressing, you can tell they make it house here.
Yeah, nice little house.
Phenomenal.
All right, so I've got the Mexican pizza here. Looks like it's got some steak, tortilla cheese, cilantro, onions. Definitely a lot of flavors in there. Steak's really good, pretty tangy. A little bit of a kick, obviously.
Got it.
Spicy, nice and crispy. It's hot.
I got the big ass fish sandwich. The only way to eat a big ass sandwich is to dive into that big ass sandwich. Okay, the big ass fish sandwich is big. The fish is cooked perfectly. It's a white fish. They have a slaw in here that is phenomenal. There's some pickled onions on here with tomatoes. The kicker here is the hoagie bun too. Awesome. So yeah, you need to cut this into 4 pieces, real deal. Don't do what I did, or do what I did, and then come holler at me. We can have a big ass fish sandwich together.
So I have the taco assortment, 6 different ones here. I'm tackling beer battered cod, looks like shrimp with some nice creamy sauce on top. Whatever it is, it's definitely the crunchiest one of the bunch. It tasted amazing. Usually a little on the fattier side as far as the meat goes. Delicious, not spicy. Let's dig into that shrimp one. Of course, I got the lime here. The shrimp cooked perfectly, beer battered cod, and it looks amazing. They're really also different. And again, brought over that slaw that you had. No complaints from any. If I had to pick a favorite, I might have to go with the beef here, or the shredded pork. Sorry, it's on point because of the crunchy taco. But you can't go wrong with any 3 of these right here.
I also have 3 tacos here. Looks like there's a grilled fish. There is some carne asada, like steak. And this is the one I'm really excited about. This is the pork belly. Some more of that slaw. It's got some avocado on there. First thing I noticed was the tortilla, really fresh, adds a nice texture. The pork belly inside, a little sweet, little salty, super fresh, delicious tacos. I'm not even gonna talk about these other ones because this pork belly is dope. Can't go wrong with the tacos here.
All right, so I got the fajitas. I just like constructing something that I'm gonna eat. So I got the house-made corn tortillas. You can get this with chicken, carne asada, shrimp, or ahi tuna. So whatever you're feeling that day. I'm already excited about this tortilla. Not overly spicy, got the solid peppers. Chicken is cooked absolutely perfectly. Tons of flavor, and the bacon beans. Come on, this was amazing. All right, Sean, what was your stealer of the show?
I mean, I do love cheese. So right off the bat, you guys stuck me with the queso or the fundito, which was it was just good. It was a nice spice, good creaminess, and again, those chips homemade, you can tell, nice crunch. As far as like the main dish, I bit a little bit into that fish that you had, the hoagie, or the big ass fish sandwich. That had a nice crunch to it. I kind of do wish I took that instead of the big guy. Everything was good, so can't go wrong there.
Come see Loco Patron Mexican Brewery, 101 Raintree off Northside. Come check them out. This place is awesome.
Great brewery, great brick oven pizza, food's fantastic. Follow Wicked Sean all day. He's got you covered. He's the real deal. Thanks, guys. 100 episodes.
Can you believe it? 100? What?
Hi, Mom. Love you, Mom. Hope I make you proud.